Good morning. So today I am actually out with hubby. Helping. Well, I'm not gonna help him. I'm gonna be in the car doing while he works, and I'm gonna be working. I have my stuff here that I used to work. You found it? Yes.
No.
Oh. So yeah. I'm gonna be working, but I'm gonna be out with him because I don't like being home every day. It's depressing. And then my son is in the back and he's crying. I mean, not crying, but he's whining because he wants to play on my phone. So you guys are gonna be out with us for a little bit. Guatu doesn't want to show his face because he feels like he looks ugly. And so I guess, yeah. Good morning.
Shut up! You never can see any boys. Yeah, you can't see boys now. I want to see.
So still in the car. It is 2:44, and we stopped by the store to get some snacks.
Hey! Hey!
I'm eating Sour Powers, the green apple. So yeah, not much of an exciting day. As usual, when I usually take rides with Guatu, he is what do you call it? Listening to some podcasts. I'm sorry, I'm filming with my phone. If you guys haven't seen my last Vlogmas, stop it, from last night, my computer's not working, therefore I can't really use my camera, therefore I'm using my phone. So I'm sorry if the camera's like all up in my face. It's not that I'm trying to put it all up on my face. So yeah, I am just staying hydrated. Stay hydrated, people. Don't do what I'm doing though. Don't eat some Sour Powers and chase it down with water. That's not healthy. I get my sugar cravings every here and there. I'm trying to eat healthy, but you know how that goes. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, my camera. I can't use my camera because my computer is not working, so I can't use my camera, so I'm using my phone. So I'm sorry, it's all up in my face. So we're officially at the last delivery because he does deliveries around New York, but mostly the city, but
Yeah.
that's what he does for work. And so after this, what the hell is going on? Oh, I was about to say, no, it's not me. So after this, what the hell? Anyway, after this, we're gonna go to the house because we forgot the dominoes. So we're planning on going to mommy's house because Guatu's birthday
Grandma's house.
Guatu's birthday
Grandma's house.
was on Tuesday. What's today? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. 4, 3, 2, 1. Monday. His birthday was on Monday. And was it on Monday? Jesus, I don't even know my days. So his birthday was on Monday. My mom wants to cook for him or whatever, so we're gonna be going to my mom's house. She's cooking dinner for him, and we gotta go to the house because I bought him a cheesecake, and obviously it's just the 3 of us at the apartment, so it's not done. Like, it's a pretty big size cheesecake. So we're gonna take that to mommy's house so we can all eat it, and we're gonna bring the dominoes so we can play some dominoes. And yes. So right now it's actually raining, and it's a cloudy day, and the internet on my phone is not working so well. So you know, the phone calls are coming in all wonky and stuff since I am working on my phone technically. So yeah, babe, do you want to say hi? He keeps saying that he looks like crap today, even though I don't look beautiful today.
Chicken leg.
Yo, what's up? Yo, no,
Is that brown?
There you go.
No hablar en inglés. Te lo dejé ahí atrás.
Yeah, don't mind the boxes. That's work. So,
Mind your boxes.
we're listening to podcasts right now. They are in Spanish. Because they're Boricuas that are doing the podcast and stuff, talking about random stuff. So the normal schedule is to listen to 2 different radio stations, sometimes 3. Depending on how early we leave. But today we left pretty late from the house. We usually wake up at 5. Well, he wakes up at 5. When I go on the street swim, obviously that's what I'm saying we, because technically we all woke up around like 6, 5:30, 6. I think 6. He woke up like 5:30, I think. No, you woke up at 6 too, right? Today we left the house at like 7:30. Usually we leave, or he leaves by 6:30 latest to start doing deliveries. But today we left at 7:30 something. And so we listened to we end up listening to 2 radio stations, and then we listened to 2 different podcasts. And then after the podcast, depending if there's this guy that he likes listening to, if he's like on Facebook Live speaking his mind about the world stuff, sometimes we listen to him.
Yeah, but most of the time I listen to him when I'm alone because my brain gets bored.
I don't get bored. I don't get bored listening to him.
Okay.
Sebastián se llama. ¿Cómo se
So
llama?
no vaya a saber el
What was
nombre.
his name again? I forgot his name. I know it's
Andrew.
Alvarez, right?
Andrew. DeAndre, from Sebastian to Andrew. Wow.
Baby bath.
Sorry.
Baby.
But
Mommy,
I don't mind listening to him.
Mommy,
Yes.
you go to grandma's house so I can see baby bath?
Yes, we're going to grandma's house so you can see Baby Bash.
Oh.
Baby Bash is my nephew.
Hey!
My brother's son. I call him Big Head Bash because he got a big ass head. But whatever. I don't get bored of listening to him. You know what it is? Listening about the world the whole day. So that's what I get bored of. I get bored of listening to the same thing like within 24 hours. I get bored really fast, period. You know that. And so if I'm listening, for example, let's say it's the weekend, and I'm already listening from the time I wake up to him, or I'm reading something, or I'm watching the news, or whatever it is, talking about, you know, whether it's COVID, whether it's politics, when the election stuff was going on, or when it's about, I don't know, something. Like, same things, you know, world stuff. I know the world is at, like, in a craze right now. Just like it's always in a craze about something, I feel like. And I know global warming is a thing. I believe it's a thing. And if you don't, you need to really, like, worry about that. But it's a conversation that we do talk about often. And it always gets brought up at least once a day. At least. You know? So if it's one of those days where I'm listening to it the whole day, or listening about the same topic the whole day, I get stressed out, you know, and I get bored, and it's just, I get anxiety. So it's, I don't like being on edge, and it puts me on edge. That's why I don't like it. It's not that I get bored. It's just, I just don't like, I know it's a reality, but it literally, when some people just shouldn't have a license to drive. But when there's a situation going on, you know, and I'm aware of it, I have to be. Who, you're laughing at me? Why are you laughing at me? Because that guy just threw himself in front of us, like, without putting on a light, no signals, no nothing. He didn't stick out his tongue, nothing. So anyway.
He has signals.
No, he didn't. He put it after. And even then, you was too close for him to try and make that turn.
Alright. I'm sorry.
So yeah, so, you know, I know what's going on in the world, but I just don't like to listen to it the whole day, like within 24 hours. From the time I wake up to the time I go to sleep. But that's for everything. I don't like listening to the same, like, I watch YouTube, you know, the YouTube gossip. I like watching it. I like watching maybe one video. If I go past 3 videos, it's rare, like very rare. but I literally watch maybe 1 or 2, and that's not even every day. It's like once a week, maybe twice a week. It was almost every day when there was some specific drama going on, because I just found it entertaining. But right now it's only like once a week maybe, because I just get bored really fast. Even while I'm working, I have to move around in the house. Sometimes I'm in the room, sometimes I'm in the living room, sometimes I'm walking around with a laptop, or I go to the kitchen. Like, you know, it's just, I get really especially when I'm like haywired.
Yeah, so
Haywired's like
you're wired to hang.
I'm completely like on edge.
You're grassy.
Like you know when you're really busy and you're so busy that you can't concentrate on anything else, because if you like si tú no te concentras, you go out of whack.
Get out of whack. You go arrow whack.
I'm done with you.
You go arrow whack. You go ancestral mode. Arrow whack.
So yeah, that's my life.
Hey!
So I'm gonna probably pop in again in a few minutes. Probably pop in again for a few minutes before the end of the day, because I don't think there's anything else entertaining going on.
No. La vida en Nueva York es aburrida.
It is.
Aquí no hay nada que hacer. Yo no sé. Yeah, I don't know if you guys chill out, man. I don't know if you guys it's cuando estamos fuera out of camera. So I don't know if you guys some video. So I don't know if this podcast, there's people that well, not podcast, what we're going on Vlogmas. No sé si en este Vlogmas hay gente que habla español, people that speak Spanish, but I speak more Spanish than anything else, so voy a seguir hablando en español. Y sí, que nada, que la vida en Nueva York no es como la gente piensa. Hay cositas que hacer, ¿verdad? Pero ahora con la pandemia y qué sé yo, y si tú quieres salir, necesitas chavo, necesitas ticket, porque si no tienes ticket no vas a poder salir a ningún lado. Mira, no, esto está diciendo taken. Si tienes taken, si tienes bacon. Pero eso es NYC for you guys.
I think he's liking the camera now. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll probably pop in for a few more minutes later, probably for a couple of minutes showing dominoes or something, you know, depending. And then I'm gonna upload it later tonight. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Mira,